When it comes to spring and entertaining, I like to think about doing a luncheon. And today I'm going to show you how to make gazpacho. Now you've heard about the red gazpacho, but we're going to make the white gazpacho. So it starts with three. Remember three cucumbers, 3 cups of chicken broth, and 3 cups of sour cream. That's how we're going to start. But anyway, I started with 3 cucumbers peeled, and now I'm slicing them into chunks, and everything that we're going to put in this dish will be in the blender. So it's very, very simple. So I'm going to give this a rough chop, and we will start putting this in our blender. And what we're also going to do is add a cup of chicken broth in with the cucumber so that it will blend and it won't get stuck in the bottom of your blender. So I have some chicken broth, and I'm going to pour out a cup of chicken broth into our glass measuring, and you want to use liquid measuring cup. This is a liquid measuring cup when you're measuring liquids. Here we go. And blend that up. Okay, the other things that we're going to add some garlic, and I have a garlic tube here, and what this does, it actually peels the garlic clove. Now you all know that this is the head of the garlic, this is the clove of garlic. And so I'll put that in there, and we'll just rub it back and forth like that. You can find this in any kitchen store, and that is our garlic. And so what I'm going to do is smash it and smash it again, because we want it kind of pureed. We're going to put that in our blender, and I'm going to add some more cucumbers so that we get all of this nice cucumber flavor in our white gazpacho soup. And then we're going to add a little bit of salt. I like a teaspoon of salt. This is coarse salt. I like to use coarse salt. Just makes the flavor better. Blender on, we're blending. And the other thing that we're going to add is 3 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. Remember I said the 3 things, the 3 ingredients? We have 3 cucumbers, 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. You don't want to use the apple cider vinegar because that will make it orange in color, and we're doing white. So we're going to blend that. Okay. And after that, we're going to pour this into 3 cups of sour cream. Doesn't that look delicious? And it smells so good. So we're going to stir this up. And that's basically all the ingredients. Now the rest of the ingredients that you see, I have chopped tomatoes, green onions, and slivered almonds, and that's what we're going to use to garnish our white gazpacho. This is a cold soup. You can serve it warm if you want to, but I like it cold. And on a spring day, it's refreshing and crisp, and I think everybody's going to enjoy it. But we're going to serve it up sassy, because right now I'm going to show you how to garnish this cute soup. And I have this little cup, and so we'll pour our gazpacho there. And then we have a little bit of chopped tomato that I've already chopped. Sprinkle that on the top. A little bit of chopped green onions. You all know how to chop green onions and chop tomatoes. And then I'm going to add some slivered almonds to the top. Now doesn't that look gorgeous? Of course, let's taste it. I'm going to taste just a little bit. That's delicious. You're going to love it.
We are going green, for spring that is, green and white, nature's foundation for a season ready to bloom. Inspired by the color of new blades of grass and the white blossoms of dogwood trees, capture the theme for all of our set-to-serve menu and sassy-scapes. The arrival of spring is unexpected, like the variety of fruits and vegetables that are mixed with flowers in the centerpieces. Fresh asparagus stems stand at attention in a crisp white vase skirted with dark green kale leaves. Citrus green limes surround the monochromatic scheme of white orchids in a white ruffled bowl. All of these are fine examples of mixing imagination with design.
Coming up, Liz takes a field trip to Aunt Willie's wildflowers.
We are going to begin with the scourge of the Tennessee farm. It's called honeysuckle.